Welcome to our channel. In this video, we've got you covered with 10 delicious keto dinner ideas that will satisfy your taste buds while keeping you on track with your low-carb lifestyle. Number 1. Skirt steak with mustard sauce. For an elegant dinner that's easy to make, look no further. Juicy skirt steak is seared to perfection, then sliced and topped with a creamy mustard caper sauce. Number 2. Broccoli ham cheddar chicken roll. Savor the flavor explosion of this broccoli, ham, and cheddar-stuffed chicken loaf. Number 3. Red chili shrimp stir-fry. If you like it spicy, you'll love this easy shrimp stir-fry. Serve over cauliflower rice for a quick and easy keto meal. Number 4. Salsa-Braised Chicken with Avocado. Store-bought salsa gets a glow-up in this easy braised chicken recipe. Chicken thighs are browned until crispy, baked in a salsa verde and white wine sauce until tender all the way through, then topped with cilantro and avocado. To ensure it's keto-friendly, make sure to use a white wine with no sugar added. Number 5. Skirt steak with charred chimichurri. Thin flaps of skirt steak are pan-seared, then topped with an easy-to-make chimichurri sauce made with charred shallots, jalapenos, and garlic for a smoky herbaceous flavor. This recipe only uses one skillet and a food processor, so cleanup will be a breeze. Number 6. Keto-friendly lasagna dome. This recipe swaps in cabbage leaves for the traditional noodles, making for a keto-friendly meal full of traditional lasagna flavors. Number 7. Garlic butter steak. A bit of salt and pepper, some butter, and an open flame will go a long way to transforming a slab of steak into something rich and luxurious. Add some garlic and herbs and you won't believe you cooked that steak all by yourself. Number 8. Broccoli cheddar quiche. Has broccoli ever tasted better than in a crispy, cheesy quiche? Number 9. Lemon pepper baked wings. A simple combination of lemon juice, pepper, and butter elevate chicken wings into a delectable meal that's a little lighter than barbecue wings, but just as finger-licking good. Number 10. Garlic lemon shrimp. This classic fat and acid combination upgrades a simple bag of shrimp into a restaurant-quality main course. Ready to shed those extra pounds and reclaim your confidence? Discover the proven secrets to natural weight loss and say goodbye to stubborn belly fat for good. Click the link in the video description below to access our exclusive guide and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Don't wait, your transformation begins now. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like